Here's my honest view on Turkish Airlines coming back home, which means from Istanbul Airport to Toronto. And one thing I noticed about the Istanbul Airport is that we had to go through 3 security checks. As soon as you arrived at the airport, you have to take off all your coats, shoes, bags, put it through the security the TSL line, whatever it's called. Then I thought that was the only one, but then we had to go through it again after we checked in with our passports and everything. We had to go through that, and then then we had to do it all over again. Second time, again, put your luggage on there, take off your coats again. It was like, then the third time, they were doing some people were getting their baggage opened and checked through when we were boarding the flight at the gate. I thought that was odd too, but because I was a Canadian holder and I'm going home to Canada, so I didn't have to go through the third one.
It's actually warm.
Thank
here.
God I didn't have to, because that was just too much work, and I just had surgeries and I didn't want to go through all that. So that was not fun at the Istanbul airport. After doing that, I just felt like, you know what I mean? I don't even know if I want to go back to Turkey again, just because the security checks are just not good. You don't need that many security checks. That's what, from my opinion, that's what I think. Stay till the end and you will see how the flight was. It was better than the first flight I took to Turkey. This one's coming home, so the cabin crew was a little bit better, except for one of the ladies. Other than that, the guys were really nice this time. He ended up giving me a full bottle of juice because I went up 3 times to get juice, so he ended up just giving me the whole thing, which was nice of him. Okay, so now we're finally boarding the Turkish Airlines, and you will see more. We are finally in the airplane now, and I'm just looking around. And so far, everything is fine at this point.
Keep your seatbelt fastened and visible until the seatbelt sign is off. When needed, you can release it as shown. Before the flight, extender will operate in case of an emergency. For takeoff and landing, please make
Oh, look, we just saw an airplane. Oh, look, another airplane. Oh, this is actually better than that. This is how the airplanes see each other.
At nighttime we can't see anything.
Right? Sorry. How come we didn't watch it last time? Even when landing?
Look at the map.
I see me.
I wonder what they're gonna serve us.
Hope it's something good. We need it. Oh, look at this. Do this. Do this. See, it gets even closer. I just zoomed in. It's just better. Because I want to watch and record at the same time. Okay, you do it for me.
How long?
That's good. What happened?
Nothing's doing. Yeah, mountain. Mountain.
I know. Okay, good.
Seatbelt fastened while you remain seated, and be careful when opening the overhead bin. Thank you.
Other way, other way. Down. Sorry. I'm correcting you. Okay. I'm on Turkish Airlines today, and this is the food we got. So we got beef with rice, some tomatoes, bread, salad, hummus. No, this is hummus. That's pudding. And I got cherry drink. And I think this is butter. The morning meal, we arrived 2 more hours left to Toronto. So it's like a veggie stew with rice, some sort of pudding, and some yogurt and Pepsi. That's pretty much it. So there was a winter storm. Bon appetit. That we came to Toronto, and the plane tried to land the first
Landed
time.
safe and sound
Back up
in
the sky.
Toronto.
Tried it the
Snowstorm
second
weather.
time, and the third time it actually
They had to
finally
circle around
landed.
twice
It was a
to
scary
make this
moment,
landing.
but it felt like the plane could slip at any time. Wow, look at the snowstorm.
Haberler etmeden.